Today we want to present you a smart innovation. The BITO PROflow active system will revolutionize pallet life storage.
Pallet life racking is designed for goods stored on pallets that are loaded at one side of the racking and moved by gravity on roller lanes to the unloading end of a storage installation. Products are supplied in strict FiFo, first in, first out order. When moving forward on inclined lanes, pallets are likely to run against each other.
Instead of fitting the usual brake rollers in pallet life racking, BITO Pallet Life offers a great advantage. Customers can now opt for PROflow active rollers. These intelligent rollers assume a dual function. They give startup assistance to pallets and control pallet speed within the flow lanes.
For life storage systems such as pallet life storage, pallet availability at the picking phase is one of the priorities. Inevitably, it will happen now and again that pallets stop within a lane or get stuck due to poor pallet quality or damaged pallets. This means that pallets will not be available at the picking side. With PROflow active rollers, pallet availability at the unloading side will be near 100%.
In our BITO test facility, a sample live storage facility with PROflow active rollers can be viewed in operation. Fitting one active roller to each pallet position has a huge advantage that pallets are given a gentle push. This is why BITO is able to realize pallet live storage facilities with a mere 2% lane incline instead of the usual 4% incline used on the market. With such a minor lane incline, a pallet life racking facility needs less headroom, which in turn allows to fit an additional racking level. This means that storage capacity can be increased within the same storage area.
PROflow active rollers ensure that pallets maintain a constant travel speed when moving down the lane. Thanks to this innovation, a lane can now accommodate empty pallets weighing a mere 50 kilograms, as well as pallets with heavy loads of up to 1,500 kilograms. For our customers, this innovation brings about a real gain in flexibility as to product portfolio management.
We will now load some pallets into our PROflow active test lane to see how active rollers work.
Pressure-sensitive goods with a high risk of damage during storage can be a problem. Fragile loads hanging over the pallet edge are even more prone to damage. Damaged or broken goods can involve major expenses for many customers. As we see, our pallets are loaded with very fragile goods that can be easily damaged. In order to demonstrate the benefits of active rollers, we will run the test with terracotta pots. After a pallet has been loaded into the lane, it moves towards the unloading side, gently pushed by active rollers. You will notice that there is a space between each pallet. The pallets do not touch each other. After a pallet has been retrieved at the picking side, the next pallet will move forward with a little delay in time. This leaves enough time for the truck driver to retrieve the pallet at the picking phase from the lane. As we see, the system keeps a spacing between the other pallets that are now moving on to the unloading position. With active rollers, damaged goods and related costs will be an issue of the past.
In summary, I can say that PROflow Active offers our customers an entire package of benefits. FiFo live storage of fragile goods is now possible without risk of damage. 100% product availability at the picking side as active rollers provide startup assistance. No risk of accident or injury, as operators do not have to climb into a lane to get a pallet or a bulk of pallets going again. As you could see for yourself, PROflow Active delivers on its promise. Thank you for your interest in our products. Should you have further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us by email.